Trautman took her usual stroll to her favorite local gourmet restaurant, McDonald's, to get her favorite meal, the hamburger. Little did she know it would be the last time she would eat there.
Catherine thought she was eating the perfect burger. But she was wrong. The cow that the burger had come from had been infected with
Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Kat began experiencing some odd symptoms, including dementia, psychiatric and behavioral problems, muscle twitching and incoordination, visual disturbances such as blurry, double, or loss of vision, depression, anxiety, and delusions.
What's going on? Kat was worried about the odd symptoms she had been experiencing, so she looked them up and found they were the result of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease.
Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, also known as mad cow disease, came about in the mid-1980s when cows south of England started becoming ill. The cows showed aggressive behavior and died soon after they contracted this odd, unknown disease. When scientists studied the brains of cows who had the disease, they found that the cows' brains had a spongy appearance from holes in the brain. The doctors soon figured out that the disease was BSE, bovine spongiform encephalopathy, which was one of the 6 types of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. It killed around 1% of the animals in Britain in 1992. By 1997, the 25,000 animals affected rose to 170,000. This disease was later found in humans and was named Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease.
This disease is caused by a protein called a prion. Prions are altered brain proteins which, when it interacts with normal proteins, is believed to alter the normal proteins to other prions. When the sheet-shaped prions build up, they form abnormal clumps of proteins and affect the brain cells. The disease may spread when infectious tissues or material come into contact. Some forms of the disease are passed down hereditarily, and others are sporadic, which means they may form through gene mutations, protein changes, or when one is vulnerable to infective agents.
Kat looked up possible treatments or cures but found that there's neither a cure for the disease nor any treatments that slow the course of the disease. Patients may be cared for by a nurse or may undergo drug therapy for comfort. Some experience the disease more slowly and live longer than others, but scientists are still experimenting with medicines and wondering if a vaccine would benefit the victim. Human victims are usually in their mid-40s to late 60s when they experience this disease and have around 12 months to live. Kat was an unfortunate exception, dying at the young age of 15.
Come, Snickers! Look! Snickers, look! Snickers!
Oh!
Ow!
Hey.
Snickers, come! Snickers, come! Snickers! Snickers! Ugh.